Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Fortnite. While launching the game is crashing and you are getting the error message, Fortnite has crashed. We are very sorry this happened and we are working towards preventing it in the future. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and from here, if any update is pending, make sure you choose the option download and install. You must be having Windows 11 version 24S2 to make the Fortnite working properly into your system. So make sure you install and upgrade it to the Windows 11 version 24S2. After doing so, go ahead and verify integrity of the game files. Once done, relaunch the game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Although, if this failed to work out, in next step, right click on Start menu and choose the option Device Manager. Now in Device Manager, you need to disable the Intel AI Boost, which is for the Intel 14th and 15th generation processors. And you will find AI Boost right under the neutral processor. Find neutral processor right in this Device Manager and you will find the option of Intel AI Boost. Once you find Intel AI Boost, you can simply right click and choose the option Disable Device. After disabling the Intel AI Boost, the issue of Fortnite is crashing will be completely fixed out. Although, if this also failed to work out, in next step, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type a percentage, local app data percentage, and then hit the Enter key. Now press the F key to find a folder with the name Fortnite Games. Open Saved, Config, Windows Client, and here press the G key to find a file with the name Game User Settings. Double click to open it, and right over here, press the Ctrl plus F key to open the Find option. And in the search box, type in DX12 and hit the Enter key. Once you find the value preferred RHI DX12, from here you need to type in DX11. After doing so, click on the File menu and choose the option Save. Once done, close it and relaunch the game, and the issue of Fortnite is crashing after loading the anti-cheat screen will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.